Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we are going to continue the connective tissue and we are going to complete it. So in connective tissue, we have seen two different types. One is called binding type and second is called supporting type. Binding type we saw areolar and adipose tissue, and in supporting type we generally saw cartilage and bone. So we are going to today start with the last topic of connective tissue, bone. ठीक है, यू नो वेरी वेल, हमारा एक स्केलेटल सिस्टम है, राइट हमारे बॉडी का एक फ्रेमवर्क है, एक शेप है, एंड दैट इज ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द बोन इन आवर बॉडी. सो बोन जनरली फॉर्म्स द एंडोस्केलेटल सिस्टम ऑफ द वर्टिब्रेट्स. खास करके वर्टिब्रेट्स के ऊपर हम लोग कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे. दैट इज bone generally forms the endoskeletal system of the human body. Now, you know there are two types of skeleton, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton is the outer framework which is generally covered by the skin. Endoskeleton is the inner framework and that is generally made up of bone. Now, when you talk about this bone, bone is a supporting type of a tissue and it contains a very hard and a rigid matrix present in it. Okay, now let's talk about the structure of the bone. The mammalian bone is generally made up of two parts. One is called matrix and second is bone cell. Now, the matrix of the bone is very, very hard, very, very tough, very, very rigid due to the presence of inorganic salts such as carbonate, sulfate, phosphate, calcium, chlorides and magnesium, etc., and also calcium hydroxyapatite. These are all the different types of inorganic salt which are generally present in the matrix of the bone, and that's why the matrix of the bone or the bone becomes very, very hard and rigid. इतने सारे inorganic salt है जो आपके इस matrix में present रहते हैं, जिसके वजह से आपका bone एकदम strong और rigid हो जाता है. Now, the matrix of the bone is generally present in the form of concentric layer. The matrix of the bone is generally made up of a concentric layers, and that concentric layer is generally called lamellae. And the matrix of the bone contains a very important type of a protein. उस protein का नाम है ओसिन, OSSEIN. Osin is a type of a protein which is generally embedded or present in the matrix of the bone. Clear? That's what all about your matrix. So which protein is present in the matrix of the bone? Osin. Now let's talk about bone cell, right? The bone generally contains the bone cell called as osteoblast cell or osteocyte cell. Osteoblast or osteocyte, these are the bone cell which are generally present in the bone. Now the osteocyte cell, you can see here, this is your osteocyte cell. The osteocyte cells are generally present in a fluid-filled spaces. Those fluid-filled spaces are generally called lacuna, right? So lacuna are the fluid-filled spaces in which the osteocyte or the bone cell are present. Now, the entire your lacuna is surrounded by a hair-like or cytoplasmic extension. This hair-like or cytoplasmic extensions are generally called canaliculi. Okay, and canaliculi are the cytoplasmic extension which connects one bone cell with the another bone cell. तो सबसे पहले याद रखना है, बोन सेल का नाम ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट या ऑस्टियोसाइट एक्टिव सेल है. ऑस्टियोसाइट सेल आपके फ्लूइड फिल्ड स्पेसेस में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. दे आर जनरली कॉल्ड लैक्यूना. Lacuna are generally surrounded by cytoplasmic structure or cytoplasmic processes which are called canaliculi. और ये canaliculi generally connects one osteocyte cell with the another osteocyte or the bone cell. At the center, you generally have the Haversian canal. सेंटर में आपका क्या प्रेजेंट है? सेंटर में आपका हेवर्सियन कैनाल प्रेजेंट है. एंड हेवर्सियन कैनाल इज द हेवर्सियन कैनाल जनरली कंटेन्स ब्लड वेसल्स, नर्व्स, एक्सेट्रा, राइट? जितने भी आपके ब्लड वेसल्स है, नर्व्स है, ये सारे आपके सेंटर में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. दैट इज हेवर्सियन कैनाल. Okay, so this entire structure is generally called Haversian system, and Haversian system is the structural and functional unit of the bone. पूरे बोन का आपका स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट हेवर्सियन सिस्टम है, एंड हेवर्सियन वाज द फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट टू जनरली स्टडी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द बोन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक समथिंग अबाउट cavity. The bone generally contains the cavity. That hollow cavity is generally called bone marrow cavity. एक hollow cavity present रहता है जिसका नाम है आपका bone marrow cavity. अब ये जो bone marrow cavity है, राइट, ये जो आपका बोन मैरो कैविटी है, ये बोन मैरो कैविटी दो टाइप्स का है. एक है रेड बोन मैरो एंड सेकंड इज येलो बोन मैरो, right? So yellow bone marrow cavity generally contains adipose tissue and is responsible for the storage of fat. जितना भी आपका फैट है, ये सारा फैट आपका स्टोर रहेगा येलो बोन मैरो कैविटी में, विच जनरली कंटेन्स एडिपोज टिश्यू. और सेकंड है आपका रेड बोन मैरो कैविटी. रेड बोन मैरो कैविटी ये आपका ऐसा कैविटी है where there is a formation of the blood cell. बाद में वो आरबीसी हो, WBC हो या platelets हो. It means that hematopoietic organ is red bone marrow cavity. Hematopoietic means where there is the formation of the blood cell. That is called red bone marrow cavity. Okay, and whatever the lamellae are generally present, that is the concentric layers of matrix are separated by the Volkmann's canal. This is the ultrastructure of the mammalian mammalian bone, sorry. Okay, so you can see I have just given you a rough diagrammatic representation that how it looks. And one more point, externally the bone is generally surrounded by a fibrous connective tissue. Externally the bone is generally surrounded by a fibrous connective tissue, and that fibrous connective tissue or the membrane is called periosteum. Periosteum is the outermost covering of the bone. That is called periosteum, which is the fibrous membrane inner to which the endosteum is present. Okay, so this is your Haversian system, a rough structure of a bone made up of bone matrix and the bone cell. Matrix is generally hard due to the presence of inorganic salts such as carbonate, phosphate, calcium hydroxyapatite, chlorides, fluorides, etc. Right, and it contains the protein which is called osine, and the matrix is present in the concentric layer which is called lamellae. And bone cell is called osteocyte. Osteocytes are present in spaces called lacunae. Lacunae are surrounded by cytoplasmic extension called canaliculi, which connects one bone cell with the another bone cell. At the center you have Haversian canal containing your blood vessels and nerves, and Haversian system is the structural and functional unit of the bone. You have a hollow cavity called bone marrow cavity, red bone marrow and yellow bone marrow cavity. Red bone marrow for the storage, for the formation of the blood cell, hemopoietic organ, and yellow bone marrow for the storage of the fats, that is adipose tissue. Now the function of the mammalian bone, everyone knows, it provides support, skeletal framework to our body. So it generally provides support and protection to the body and the internal vital organs of the body. Thank you.